Meaning of gun laws.
Gun laws.
Gun laws.
Gun laws.
Gun laws. Gun laws refer to laws and regulations that govern the manufacture, sale, possession, and use of firearms. These regulations aim to ensure public safety by preventing criminal activity and reducing the number of gun-related deaths and injuries. Gun laws can vary greatly between countries and even within states, provinces, and territories. These laws often include requirements for background checks, waiting periods, age restrictions, and registration of firearms. Some countries have stricter laws on gun ownership than others, with some banning certain types of weapons altogether.